Meet Osmo 360. Capture the action. Every angle, every time. We changed the game. 1 in 360 imaging. Native 8K, every pixel counts. The result? Ultra-high dynamic range. Crisp, vivid, real, low light, no problem. Enable Super Night mode to get clearer shots. D-Log M10-bit color. Pro editing unlocked. Stretch time with dramatic slow motion. Up to 100 FPS. The invisible selfie stick unlocks third-person views like never before. Switch to selfie mode. Be the action. You're the star. Freeze moments with breathtaking 360 photos. Reframe after your 360 shot. All on your phone. Go single lens. Up to 5K. 60 FPs. Or push the limits with boost video. Mount and film in seconds with quick release and snapshot. Record up to 100 minutes in 8K 30 FPs. Or go the distance with the battery extension rod. Rocksteady eliminates shake, no matter how wild the ride. Switch lenses mid-shoot. From you to the wild in one move, sync your stats instantly. Show off your pace. Pair with the DJI mic series for studio quality audio. Let's run it. Edit anywhere with DJI Mimo and DJI Studio. Lock on your subject with intelligent tracking for hero moments. Osmo 360, your all-in-one adventure companion.